Hi, we have Tony Neal Graves, who is the General Manager of the Workstation segment of the Data Center Group with Intel Corporation. Thanks for being here.
Thank you. I'm really happy to be here at Autodesk University.
Great. So, how do workstations based on Intel Xeon processors help Autodesk users innovate faster or explore more design options in less time than ever before?
Karen, that's a great question. Workstations built on Intel Xeon processors give you the power and capability to do multiple designs, iterate faster, and look at designs and do what-ifs. This is something that engineers haven't been able to do in the past, and so I think that folks become more efficient, more effective in terms of their ability to design new solutions and capabilities working with software suites like Autodesk products.
Okay. So how can a workstation powered by two Intel Xeon processors help users quickly create, test, and modify designs using Autodesk software products?
Again, if you look at the capabilities that we're providing in a platform today, you have the ability to not only design, but to analyze and then visualize the solutions that you're trying to build. I think this gives engineers the ability to be much more creative, to be able to look at a variety of different solutions and come out with the solution that's best and most effective for the thing that you're trying to do.
Okay. So what are some of the challenges the industry is facing today?
I think there's a couple of major challenges that we're facing in this industry. One is that with all of the new power and capability that are being provided by these new class of workstations, folks haven't really thought about trying to redesign their workflow and look at the ways that they do business to take advantage of those solutions. One of the things that we really need to encourage people to do is to kind of step back a little bit and reevaluate their entire design process from beginning to end, and to really look for opportunities to take advantage of the solution capability that you have with these very high-end platforms. And at the very other end of the spectrum, the very entry level of workstations, you have this ability now of being able to basically purchase a workstation at maybe less than $100 of the cost of a traditional desktop solution. And so if we could really start to encourage users to look at the experience that they can get with a workstation that's really tested and designed for the types of work that they're doing, I think they'll start to see that they really would want to buy a workstation as opposed to a desktop solution.
Interesting. So what are some of the things being done to address this?
From an Intel perspective, what we're trying to do is to start to work with the industry, work with end users, work with companies like Autodesk to start to evangelize what's possible and take advantage of this solution capability that we have of these new hardware platforms, marry them with the software capabilities that come from companies like Autodesk, and to go out into the industry and start to work with the end users to get them to really think about and redesign how they're going to do their work. And I think if we can start to really get that message out into the marketplace as the economy starts to rebound, we'll have an opportunity to kind of move the whole industry forward in terms of the solutions that we want to bring to market.
So what is one of the favorite parts of your job right now?
I think the greatest part of the job for me, I've been in this job now for about 6 months, is just the opportunity to come out and meet real end users in the variety of different industries that we're supporting in terms of digital content creation, the architectural, engineering, construction industry, manufacturing. I had an opportunity to meet with a couple of folks in the automotive industry in Europe a couple of weeks ago, and it's just fascinating in terms of what they're trying to do in terms of designing energy efficient cars, be more efficient in terms of the way they're designing their solutions. So just the ability to get out into the marketplace to talk to folks about this is really fun for me.
Very, very cool. Well, thank you for taking the time to be with us.
Thank you, Karen. Thank you very much.
And thank you for being with us.